dough in a bag is a great discovery. It avoids over-fermentation and stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or you can freeze it. I usually prepare dough for 1 or 2 portions at a time. The recipe will be below the video. Start by pouring 1 liter of room temperature milk into a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Use 44 grams of fresh yeast or 22 grams of dry yeast. Fresh yeast is better because it makes lighter, airier dough with improved texture, flavor, and aroma. Let the mixture rest 15 minutes to activate the yeast fully, ensuring the dough develops properly with rich, complex qualities. Now add 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well, and add flour. I start with 1 kilogram and 200 grams of flour. Then check the dough consistency and add more if needed. Today, I needed an extra 100 grams. I start by mixing the dough with a spoon, then oil my hands and knead the dough. Add flour slowly. Avoid excess so the dough stays soft and slightly sticky, not overloaded. Now divide the dough into 2 parts. Place each in a bag. Secure tightly and refrigerate immediately. The video shows how the dough rises after 1 hour, then after 2 hours it's ready to use.